Blah. Niggas up. Where they at? Where they at? I can't see it, guys. Don't worry, they can't see it. See, they see a Tupac. Bridgetown, AZ, Scottsdale, Phoenix, Glendale, fucking Avondale, fucking throw it up. You know where I'm coming from. You know I'm a stupid bum, but I'm coming like you, like yo, bud. Fucking blah blah, bang bang, everything. Fucking, you know what I'm about to say. Let's go, hold it up, motherfucker, throw it up. And after that, you can pour another ounce in the cup. So you're gonna lean front to the back and the side. And after that, who's gonna ride down the street? Getting real bean, y'all getting tall in the fucking streets of BZ. The zoo, you know we don't fucking play. So we crooked goons and we fucking play with the snows. And motherfucking, you know it's fucking funny. And when it glows out here, it's fucking hot as fuck. And you know we don't give a fuck, cause they ain't living enough. So give the guts up to the glory, and I'm like, yo, I'm not saying nothing until I'm fucking making my story felt. And where do I dwell? Right here at Scottsdale. But that all depends on the weekend or on the week. You don't know how to speak. Fucking things go down like smoking a pound of weed and put it in a pound. Fuck it, it's a crown. It's a freestyle thing. Shut up, man. I'm freestyle, man. Fuck it. If you wanna shout out, holla at me later. And if I'm not saying it like a hater, so I'm telling ya, fucking watch your back, cause I'm telling everybody pull an automatic strap. When I'm telling you, man, still freestyling, I'm still recording, and I fucking don't get boring at your stupid ass, nappy ass feet. Because it all depends on where you're stepping on the ground. We be stinging nothing on the fucking block, because we serve like a motherfucking Glock. Motherfucker, so when I pop my fucking tongue, a motherfucker surely got to be on the run. Bro, what they say, scared to throw it up. Then I asked my passive patrol, man, to go ahead and show some guts. Alright.